So today's video is going to be a little bit different from what we usually post on Goals and Growth. And, I always preach all of this motivation. I always preach all of this self-help content. I always preach you guys to be the best versions of yourself. But what I don't speak about often is how one goes through the pain of losing someone. And this is very applicable right now because or the fact that I'm busy going through this. And what I would like to tell you guys, and this is the first time I'm gonna be real with you guys, and this is one of the fewest times I'm gonna be really open with you guys. It's one thing to say that this is guaranteed to work out, and a lot of us go through all of these people and all of these relationships, and we land in a certain one that ends up changing you, that ends up bringing out the best in you, but that also ends up learning you the hardest lesson. And I've spoken about relationships on this channel for a while, and all of the videos were about online dating and what to look out for when engaging in online dating. This video is much more serious. This video is here to help you, and by helping you, I essentially am helping myself, because of the fact that we all share this pain and that we all go through these types of situations with people. You end up in a pit that you feel you can't get out of. And I know it's extremely hard. I know for a fact that you had so much hope in your heart and you had so much care and love in your heart. And that doesn't make you a bad person. That makes you a wonderful person, makes you a beautiful person, because of the fact that you saw that beauty in someone, and sometimes that person didn't even see the beauty in themselves. So what I want to say to you first is that be proud of yourself that you're going through this pain. I know it's hard, and be proud of yourself that you saw the best in that person. And thirdly, don't blame that person. Don't blame yourself, and don't blame that person. If something doesn't work out, and this could be because of many things, it could be because of your differences growing up. It could be because of the fact that you guys have differing views on the future or anything. The fact of the matter is that once you form this deep connection with a person, and of course the scars are going to remain there. The pain is going to remain there for probably your whole life because you've invested so much time and effort. But at the same time, from what I've experienced, you should stop blaming yourself. You should stop blaming yourself because of the fact that some things, even though they're very beautiful and even though it may seem perfect, sometimes it's not destined to work out. And sometimes, even though you wish it would, at the end of the day, God decides. God decides if it works out or not. And ultimately, you can do what you can, but only to a certain extent. You can put so much time and effort into one person and bringing them back to life. But sometimes God just tells you that perhaps you should accept it, and that doesn't make you a bad person. I just want to say to anyone who's going through this at the moment, I know how you feel, and I know it all may seem hopeless right now, but I'm gonna tell you this one thing to end this video. You saw the beauty in that person, and I promise you they're thankful for that. I promise you they appreciate you for doing that, and you should appreciate them for bringing out the best in you. You should be thankful for them even though things didn't work out. So my advice to you is, and the way that I'm going to end this video is to tell you the following. Even though you're not with them anymore, always remember them in your heart. Always talk good about them to other people. Always appreciate what they've done for you, and always appreciate the love they gave for you. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful year, 2025, and I hope you make all your dreams come true. And I promise things will get better, and I promise I'm right there with you. I'll see you next time.